In here, and it's been a while since we posted anything on YouTube. Sorry, it's been actually like a year since we posted anything on our stock channel, but we're back. We're here, and hopefully I can stay consistent with these. Um, anyways, here's a typical chart that we've been sharing since forever now. I share these charts usually in the Discord. Sometimes I'll post it on our Instagram page or Facebook or whatever it might be. And by the way, it's freezing. It's like 45 degrees right now in San Diego, so we are blanketed up. Anyways, I'm gonna just act like you guys are all new because it has really been a while. So I've got all the information here now on the screen to show you what all these lines are, and I know there's a lot of them, so we're gonna go over it somewhat slowly. But the basics: solid white line is line of support, dotted white line is short-term line of support, solid red line is the line of resistance, dotted red line is a short-term line of resistance, yellow line is our gold. We try to sell at the yellow. We sell 20% at the yellow. And then down here we've got our RSI chart, so always review the RSI chart bottom on the bottom to see where the levels are. Typically 70 means it's time to sell, 30 means it's a good time to buy. And one rule to always follow: whenever you break out from the line of resistance, that line of resistance becomes your new line of support. So when we go past this red line here, if for example right here, right, when we went past this red line, now we came right back down, so this was a false breakout. But if we go past and we stay up, that means this becomes our new line of support. We expect it to bounce onto that line and bounce back up. All right, but I know there's a lot of lines here, so I'm going to start erasing some just so you guys can see the three channels that we have here. Okay, so one channel that we have is a long-term descending channel, which is this red line and this white line. And what are we at? Tesla? Is this Tesla? Yeah, Tesla. This is the descending channel for Tesla going down this way. Okay, so let me just erase some lines so that it's a little bit easier to see. Okay, so this is our descending channel. So for those that are long-term on Tesla, we're on a bearish run right now, but short-term we're also on a bullish run right now, but we're still in this channel here. Now the other two lines I deleted is another long-term channel, so let's delete this. So I've already shown two channels that we've got, right? That was the bearish one, we've got this bullish one, and then we've got this other long-term, somewhat horizontal channel that it stays between, and that's how we get some of this pricing on the side here. Okay, so here's the line of resistance, here's the line of support. Basically, we're expecting that Tesla is going to stay in between this channel. Okay, if it ever gets up to this yellow line, we sell 20% of our shares, always. Okay, so let's get all our lines back. So now you can see that we have three channels there, and I'm just going to show you guys right now. So we're actually coming to an end on this between right here, this short-term line of support and this long-term line of resistance. We've got this small like triangle pattern, not really a symmetrical pattern or anything. So we just don't know whether Tesla's going to break out from here or continue to come back down, or what's going to happen, right? We don't know. Tesla closed at $228 on Friday. Friday, whatever Friday's date was, it was, wait, what the, Monday? Oh, we're on the 5-year right now. We're actually in a 5-year, so we're not going to see that. It doesn't matter. Anyways, it closed at 228. My prediction for Tesla is these price points right here on the side. Okay, so I think personally, if you're following the long-term descending channel, Tesla should come down a bit. It should come down. We should be able to pick some up long-term wise back at 148. I know that's pretty low from where it's at. That's almost $100, actually more than $100 from where it's at. Oh no, it's not 218, 118. No, it's like 2:20 in the morning right now. I know you can't see the time, but it's 2:20 in the morning right now, so my brain's going crazy. But Tesla 148, that'd be like a, I'm not going to do the math. That's like a $80 drop, let's just say. Okay, so 148, could expect it to go back down to that, bounce back up, and then we'll sell in between this area here. But if you still are bullish on Tesla right now, right, let's erase the descending lines. If you're bullish, as in you think this is the channel that it's in, we could expect Tesla to go up to 280, right? This is the price point that we have, 280. So we would sell Tesla at 280, let it come back down to whatever, anywhere on this line here. So if you're bullish on Tesla, 280 is the point. If it goes past that, probably the 336 range or anywhere on this red line. In a different video, I showed you guys how to use TradingView, but basically this note here, or on the side here, it'll be price note. Click that. You can click anywhere on these dots and you'll be able to kind of see, you know, what price point that is, right? And you can move it along anywhere on this dot here, on these dots. Okay, but that's kind of the prediction that we have for Tesla right now. I personally am not bullish or bearish on Tesla. I just follow this chart, right? So, and what this chart says is that if we're following this channel, this should bounce up a little bit. Even if it bounces up to this point here, to, what is that, 254. So it's at 228. Close at 228. That's still like a $25 increase on Tesla. So if you have 100 shares of Tesla and it goes up $25, I mean, you just made X amount of money, 2,500 bucks. I don't know. I'm not doing math right now, but that's where I'm at with Tesla. Okay, guys. So I believe there's room for Tesla to go on a bullish run right now. We're actually testing. Are we testing a line of support? No, we don't really have a. Yeah, we kind of do. We could actually add a line of support right here. Let's change this to white. I would say that's a long-term line of support. So we've got this horizontal channel now here. Okay, horizontal channel. Yeah. Okay, so that's where we're at with Tesla. Just added this line, so almost the 200 range. 200 bucks. Drop down, go back up to 278. That's where we're at with Tesla. If you're bullish on it, I already gave you the price. If you're bearish, I gave you the price. You get both, right? That's what this is for. All right, until the next video, guys, I'll see you, and I probably won't do it at 2:20 in the morning so that I've got some energy. Peace.